Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox while listening to music mobile, iOS and Android. So in order to do this, you're going to need a third-party application that will actually allow you to play music. You can use something like Apple Music, Spotify, or even a file manager. Me personally, I have some songs already installed on my phone. So I'm going to be using my file manager, but you can use something like Spotify if you want, and you can go ahead and select the playlist that you want to listen to while you are gaming on Roblox. But anyways, guys, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select the soundtrack that you want to go ahead and play. So for this video, let's go ahead and select on this soundtrack. And now, once you are done with that, all you want to do is you want to head back over to Roblox just like so. And you want to verify that it's actually working by just going to the top menu over here. And then, yep, you guys should be able to go ahead and control your soundtrack. You guys could fast forward songs over here, pause the music, or even go ahead and go backwards. It really is up to you. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.